Another wave of excitement just hit the drone community. Woohoo! Yet another image dump of the DJI Mini 5 Pro has surfaced, and people are buzzing with mixed emotions. Oh yeah! A World Wide Web shop accidentally updated their listings, giving us a much clearer look at this little beast. First off, happiness is flooding in for one big reason. Old-style click-on propellers are back. Yay! Phew. No more fiddling with tiny screws or screwdrivers after a crash, or when your bag chews up your blades. Fans of the DJI Spark and Mavic Air know exactly how much easier this is going to make life. Then comes the real surprise: clip-on ND filters tailored for the new 1-inch sensor. Whoa! We're talking ND8, ND16, and even ND128, designed to push image quality closer to the mighty Mavic 4. That's, wow, thrilling news for creators who demand cinematic shots. But not everyone is smiling. Some skeptics are, they're questioning if the Mini 5 Pro can actually match pro-level drones. Seriously? What? And yet, the excitement is undeniable. We even spotted a cheeky joke online comparing the ND filters to new Apple Watches. Wait, what? The lens detail E24 f1.8 is now confirmed, and while design changes are subtle, emotions are sky high. DJI leaker Ann Keat has dropped a leaked image of the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, and fans can't stop buzzing. Even better, he revealed that the official launch date is set for September 16th, marking the countdown to what could be DJI's most exciting ultralight drone yet. Adding fuel to the fire, Mauro Tandoi unveiled the pricing details without VAT, giving us a clear look at what to expect. The breakdown is impressive: €614 for the drone only with a 37-minute battery, €742 for the drone plus RC2, €922 for the Fly More combo with a 37-minute battery, and $986 for the Fly More combo with the extended 52-minute battery. To top it off, Mauro also appreciated Ann Keat in his post, giving credit where it's due. With leaks, launch dates, and prices now on the table, excitement is skyrocketing. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an absolute game changer. Is it coming in the USA? The DJI Mini 5 Pro has already been registered with the U.S. Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, a clear sign that DJI intends to bring the drone to the American market. Multiple reliable sources suggest a global release is set for mid-September 2025. However, in the US, availability may be affected by ongoing logistical challenges. Major retailers such as Best Buy and B&H are currently facing shortages due to customs enforcement under the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act, or UFLPA. Despite these restrictions, DJI has publicly stated that it has no plans to withdraw from the US market. What this means for US buyers: an official US release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro appears both planned and likely, supported by FCC clearance. Availability, however, could be limited at first because of import delays and regulatory hurdles. If these challenges are resolved, the drone is expected to arrive in the US alongside the global mid-September launch. Front and center on the box art, we see the DJI Mini 5 Pro bundled with the powerful DJI RC2 controller, complete with its built-in display. Yes, that means no more juggling your smartphone, just pure flying focus with a pro-level controller straight out of the box. Even better, the label proudly says Fly More Combo Plus DJI RC2. And that's not all. Get this, the front face shouts out 52 minions by 3. Whoa! That strongly suggests 3 batteries, each promising up to 52 minutes of flight under ideal conditions. Do the math, that's more than 2.5 hours of airtime in one kit. Absolutely awesome. This is a major endurance upgrade compared to previous mini-series bundles, making the Mini 5 Pro a true game changer for travelers, content creators, and everyday pilots. If these leaks hold true, DJI is about to set the bar sky high. Retail box images usually appear late in the pre-launch cycle, often right before official spec sheets and pricing are revealed. If this box truly represents the final packaging, we can expect DJI to release full details soon. That would include confirmed camera specifications, transmission system info, obstacle avoidance features, and breakdowns of regional bundle variations. US pricing should be listed in dollars, along with clear disclosures of flight times in minutes and performance figures like range and altitude expressed in miles or feet. Let's talk about price and other specs. The leaked price list is here, and it's loaded with surprises. The DJI Mini 5 Pro Intelligent Flight Battery is set at just $69, while the brand new Battery Plus comes in at $99. Oh yeah! Finally, longer flights are within reach. The two-way charging hub lands at $49, which is awesome for anyone looking to keep multiple batteries juiced up. As for the propellers, they'll cost only $19, and if you want extra protection, the quick-release propeller guard with propellers included is priced at $69. For creators chasing that cinematic look, the ND filter set ND8 32nd 128th will be available for $55. Woohoo! Smooth shots incoming! And of course, DJI is backing it all up with Care Refresh plans, with the 1-year option priced at $80 and the 2-year plan at $129. This juicy leak suggests DJI is gearing up for a September launch. Yikes. Rumor has it, spotted on a YouTube story, that launch day could be Tuesday, September 16th, but nothing's confirmed yet. Seriously? We've got to wait a week or two for the real deal. Still, one thing's clear, yay. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a beast of a drone, and the buzz is just getting started. Whew! Can't wait.
The leaked image of the DJI Avata 3 gives us a clear look at the upcoming FPV drone and some key design changes. While the overall form factor remains similar to the Avata 2, there are noticeable upgrades. The most striking is the much larger front-facing camera module, suggesting improved image quality and performance. DJI has also moved the battery placement to the back, creating more room for the camera system and allowing the removal of the signature orange bumpers from the previous model. Another major change is the introduction of a 4-blade propeller setup, which should deliver better power, speed, and efficiency. Altogether, the Avata 3 looks set to refine DJI's FPV experience with smarter design and performance upgrades. And no, this isn't one of those grainy clips from the depths of the internet. This leak comes straight from trusted DJI insider Igor Bogdanov, who's built a solid track record over the years. With this, the Avata 3 leak season officially begins. Everything before was just noise. As for the launch, DJI tends to follow a rhythm. The original Avata dropped in September 2022, followed by Avata 2 in April 2024, a 19-month gap. That means Avata 3 could arrive sometime between October 2025 and March 2026, with the sweet spot likely landing between November and January. Now, the footage doesn't show much. Zooming in won't save you. But the prototype stickers and a visible cable are hard to miss. Design-wise, it still echoes the Avata 2. Let's talk about other specs. Building on the success of the DJI Avata 2, this next-generation FPV drone is expected to redefine drone technology. The Avata 2 features a 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor with 4K 60 FPS HDR video recording. The Avata 3 is rumored to include a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, enhancing image clarity, color depth, and low-light performance.